Hello students, in the previous video we have learned about India's size and location. Now let's look at India's location in relation to the other countries on the map. Students, can you guess in which part of Asia is India located? India lies to the south of Asia and is centrally located between East and West Asia. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, provides a long coastline in this region. It helps to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, Europe, and East Asia. Students, no other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. It is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. Students, do you know that since the opening of the Suez Canal in the year 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Now students, India's land routes are much older, but the various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas, commodities since ancient time. Now, the ideas of Ramayana, the stories of Panchtantra, decimal system could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, etc. were taken from India to different countries. So now we are going to talk about India's neighbors. Students, as you know that India occupies an important position in South Asia. India has got 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea, they consist of two island countries. Which are they two? Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea, that is Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India has got strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. That's all about this chapter. Have a nice day.